Coaspect is a web and mobile-based cloud platform that helps construction professionals collaborate with their project teams and helps them manage projects more effectively and efficiently. Coaspect helps developers, contractors, architects and design consultants transform from a highly complex, fragmented, and inefficient construction management practice to a more standardized, consolidated, and integrated one. This is our web app login page. All users can log in with their unique credentials. We have two platforms: Connect and Manage. We will explore Manage today. This is where you can see all your projects at a glance with schedule and budget status. Also, you can manage your users, resources, files, and templates for the inspection checklist at the organization level to have standardization across projects. Project Dashboard has recent activity to track day-to-day activities, project photos, user information involved in the project, and other general information. Also, reports are a part of the Project Dashboard. This chart shows submittals by status. We shall look into schedule tasks by status to understand schedule progress for the project. This is how the schedule progress looks like. You can hover over the chart to see the percentage in each legend title. Let's look into Document Management module. We can create sets and divisions within drawings to manage them more efficiently. You can view PDF, JPEG, PNG and GIF files. You can add markups in drawings, link RFI, inspection photos, etc. with it, and send it across project team members for easy and effective communication. Also, you can view Revit 3D models and AutoCAD files as well, which allows users to view files easier without having the need to download multiple software. Models can be measured for length, area and volume to derive quantities as well while viewing. Specifications help in providing complete information about the final product and complements the drawing. With specifications, you can assure your work quality, set your expectations with your general or subcontractor and confirm the final product. You can create sets and divisions to manage specifications. You can add comments in any specification document and send it to a design consultant or engineer from the team to seek clarification if needed. You can view PDF documents on the go and also add comments to send across for clarification if needed. Files act as an additional cloud space to store information related to your project like quantity takeoff sheets, project compliance documents, subcontractor agreements, etc. You can view documents, Excel files on the go. No need for downloading. Now, let's look into project management. The transmittal tool helps you to send information across the project team easily. You can share meeting minutes, subcontractor agreement, project progress report, etc. with anyone from the project team. After filling a short form, you can send the details via email. You can even save the form as a draft to edit later. You can even download the transmittal and file it as a physical copy if required. RFIs are requests for information and can come in handy when the site team faces challenges with understanding drawings and specifications. They can create an RFI, attach relevant drawings or specs with markups and share it for seeking clarification. Submittals help you in recording approvals for specific work done by general or subcontractor. The contractor can create submittal, attach relevant test reports, material data sheets, etc. and ask for approval from the client team with a timeline. Field reports help you to capture project progress data from the field. You can add information like title, location, description, etc. Also, you can create workflows and attach forms like RFI, inspection drawings, or any other document from your computer. You can add a weather log and add a description. Task log helps you to track your schedule progress. The activity log helps you to measure the quantity of work done, add activity within task for effective progress tracking, and link it with budget line item and task to integrate with budget and schedule. Resource log helps you to track consumption of materials, labor hours, equipment usage and link it with task and budget line item for easy tracking and integration with schedule and budget of the project. Timesheet log helps in tracking project team members' time spent on the project and add billable hours for supervisors, engineers, project managers, etc. You can add project progress photos. You can even add visitors. You can view your schedule and set your daily, weekly, and monthly targets. Microsoft Project or Primavera files can be easily imported to upload your project schedule. You can even download the system template and upload the project schedule in a Microsoft Excel file. You can even add sets of schedule to monitor your project progress, like adding milestone schedule, shell, and core completion schedule, interior finishing, etc. Double tap the task to view additional information. You can see comments by any team member, predecessor, activity log, and resource log from field reports and budget linked with the activity. Let's look into photos. You can add individual photos or create an album. You can send these photos to team members as well. Coming to Financial Management module. Let's have a look at our project budget. You can download the system template and create your budget for uploading it into the system. You can lock or unlock the budget to make changes if needed. Export it as an Excel file to carry out additional analytics if required. You can create budget sets for different stages of the project or as per your planning practice. Create divisions and cost codes within budget to break it down and manage line items easily. Double tap on the budget line item to view additional information. You can view estimated T, orders, bills, payments made, RFI or submittals created, field report logs, and inspections made for the budget line item. You will be able to create purchase orders or work orders and send it to your vendors and subcontractors with the necessary documents for executing the work via email. You can simply add general information like title, issue date, due date, etc. Assign a manager to manage the PO, and also you can create workflows for approval. Attach drawings, specifications, and other documents as required and send email. Add your material description and other details to create schedule of values. Ask terms and conditions for the PO, and there you are ready to send your PO. Also, bills can be generated from your PO and tracked for payment. This helps you to track the individual order life cycle. Bills can be created against POs and similar tracking can be done. Add your general information, create workflows for approval with a due date, and attach necessary documents. The schedule of values will be auto-filled from PO selected. Responses can be tracked. Payments can be created from bills and tracked easily. Payments can be created easily within the platform. You can create a payment for bill, add direct expenses or payroll expenses. Just put in relevant information, create the payment form with an assigned manager to execute the payment. You can send notifications via email or mobile app as well. For bills, the schedule of values can be auto-generated. You can make partial or full payments and add withholding taxes. Let's look into the resource management module. This store is your digital material store from where you can view and manage your inventory. You can see information like the estimated rate and quantity, procurement rate, ordered quantity, inward quantity, any material transfer to different sites, consumed quantity, and current stock. You can create material requests from the site to the procurement team with attachments and creating workflows for approval. You can request quotations from your vendors for the material requested as well via email. You can add manpower and keep a log of their working days for making payment. Add types of equipment and keep a track of its usage over the project period. Let's look into the quality and safety module. You can create or schedule inspections early on and assign inspectors. Add general information like title, inspection due date, assign manager, and inspectors for inspections. You can add a checklist for inspection as well with any other necessary documents. You can check the activity stream as to who is created and any responses were added by managers or inspectors. Inspectors can click respond and select a response. An additional checklist if needed can be added on the go. Click the buttons tick cross or nah as a result of the inspection. Comments can be added for individual checklist items with attachments of photos or videos. On-site safety observations can be created. You can add general information like title, time, priority, location, etc. Add a description to explain the observation and attach photos or other documents as required. Add information like the affected person, observation workflow for rectification, and distribute it across specific project team members. You can see responses by team members in the workflow. You can log any incidents occurred on your site which can act as learnings for future projects. Add general information like title, time, location, description, etc. for the incident. Add affected person, task, contribution factor, hazard, and treatment. Add the actions taken for the incident. Create an investigation workflow. And distribute the log to specific team members. Response added by team members in the workflow can be seen easily. You can create custom templates for inspection, manage user rights for different tools, create a material library, and other customization for projects from settings. We have a mobile app that can be downloaded from Play Store and has similar capabilities as the web app in terms of creating forms, viewing information, etc. For a more detailed demonstration, contact the Coaspect team. Thank you for your time.